Hello my friends, welcome back to Sekhar Academy. I hope you are doing great. This is the third video. If you missed previous video, then go to the playlist and check the previous videos. In this video, we will solve two most asked interview questions. So let's get started with our first questions is find the employee with the highest salary per department in SQL. So I have one table named as employees. In employees table, I have one column named as salary and there are another column named as department. If you see in department, I have three department is IT, HR and finance. If you see IT department, there are three records are available and the highest salary is 60,000. For finance, only one record, this is 70,000. For HR, we have two records and the highest salary is 70,000. So these three records should come in my output. So I have to write the query as select from. After that, I have to start my subquery here. Here I can put the field name is emp name, comma department, comma salary. Now I have to come inside the subquery, select, then star, comma row number over again partition by we'll take department because we are taking the salary department wise department order by salary descending. I can give a column as name as RN from employees table. Now I have to give a name is temp something where RN. RN means here I given one column as name is RN is equal to 1. My query is over. Before executing the whole query, first I will execute the inner query to see what type of data we are getting. After that, we will execute the whole query. Now I am executing the inner query first. So if you see the output here, there is one new column named as RN. If we see properly, for finance, only only one record was there. That's why 70,000 came. For HR department, we have two records, and the first record will come as 70,000. For IT, we have three records, and the highest salary record is 60,000, and it's come as 1. So after getting this, we taken as where Rn is equal to 1. So it will take this record, and this record from three different departments. Now I have to execute the whole query and I got the output department wise highest salary. This is the most recommended and easy to understand. Or else to execute the same we can use join with max. Let's see the query. Again we'll execute the select star from employees table to see the record. We'll start the query. It's select from employees. Here you can, as we are using join, so we can join as E. After that, I will use join the emp id, comma E dot emp name, comma E dot department, comma E dot salary. Now we will come inside the join. Here we have to write the subquery as select from employees. Now here we need to put department because we are taking department wise. After that, max of salary will give a column as name as max salary. After that, we will use group by department wise department. Now I'll give this name as M. We'll use join E dot department is equal to M dot department, and E dot that will compare with salary. Salary is equal to M dot, where we give this column alias name, max salary. Here my query is over. Before execute the whole query, first I will see what data I am getting from my inner query. Here we can see max salary department wise I am getting for finance 70,000, for HR 70,000, for IT 60,000. After that I am joining both inner query with employees table. Now I will execute the whole query and I got the output including employee details, employee ID, employee name, department with their salaries. It will be better if we go with row number, but it will depends on your interviewer what he is asking. If he is asking with row number or with Windows function, then it will be better. Or if they are interested for with join, then we can go with second options, alternative options. Next, question number 5. Delete duplicates but keep one record in SQL. So if we see in our table, I have one table named as employees. In employees table, we can see, we can compare with name and salary. If we compare with both two column, here we can see Alice is getting 50,000. Another Alice is record number for MID for them also getting same salary 50,000. So both are duplicate. Like that, if we see row number second and row number fifth, employee name is David and salary getting is 70,000. So both are same. If we compare with employee name along with their salary, then this record will come. If we include employee name, department including their salary, then row number first will come with row number fourth, because name is Alice, department is IT, and salary is 50,000. Only one record if we compare with employee name, department, and salary. So first we'll go with employee name with their salaries. If both are same, then we'll match as this is the duplicate record. So we need to write the query as we'll go with CTE. CTE means common table expression. We'll give a city name as duplicate. After that, as here I will start my bracket, then select from employees table. After that, here I will start my field's name is MID, comma, row numbers, bracket, over partition by, I am comparing with emp name with salary. If we will compare with emp name, department, salary, then we need to put here department also. Salary. After that, order by MID. I can make is a column alias name is RNS. I will come outside of the bracket. Here we will go delete from. I am going to delete. Here I will give the city name where RNS is greater than from 1. So before executing the whole query, we need to see what duplicate data I am getting. So first I will execute the inner query first. We can see RNS came as a duplicate is fourth, and here the duplicate is second, fifth line. So these two records will be deleted because the question is that we need to find the duplicate and delete the duplicate, and we need to keep one record in the table. So we'll keep one record here and we need to delete the second record. Like that, here we need to delete the second record. Yeah, MID fourth and MID fifth should be deleted. If I run the delete from duplicate, this is duplicate here means this is my CTNA. And I mention here where RNS in the sense my column alias name is greater than from 1. If it is greater than from 2, if any record was greater than from 3, suppose I mention here department. Now I need to execute the query. Here we can see if we take the department, only this fourth record, employee ID for this record will be deleted. And again I need to execute this. So employee ID fourth and data and employee ID fifth data, this both data needs to be removed. Now I have to execute the whole query. Here you can see 2 rows affected. Now I will see the employees table. Here you can see employee ID fourth and fifth both are deleted. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video will helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Sekhar Academy. We'll connect with another video. Till then, bye bye.